Now I got two of these. The first one is called, I think it's called Power Breeze or something like that. Actually, it's called Power Zone. And then this one right here got some kind of weird Spanish name to it on the very top of it. And then like under it says Breeze. So it says something in Spanish, Breeze. And the other one like this is Power Zone. All right, let's go ahead and run this one at full power. This gets right up to speed. I don't know if y'all gonna hear the wind stream. After all, it is a box fan. So you hear it, good. If you don't, my apologies to you. Fans aren't making an awful lot of noise. It just don't seem like it moves much air. It seems like it moves all the air off to the sides for some weird reason. That it doesn't blow the air directly on you. Alright, let's go ahead and spin it down. It's getting late. Enjoy the spin down time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Lamont the Fan Man. Now, spin down time is pretty decent. Could be better. Lamont the Fan Man, and out.